Hey there, future Warren Buffetts. Ever dreamed of watching your money grow while you sip lemonade on a beach? That's the power of investing. It's like planting a money tree, but instead of soil, you've got stocks, bonds, and all sorts of other fancy financial instruments. Now, you might be thinking, investing? Sounds complicated. But trust me, it's not rocket science. It's about putting your hard-earned cash to work for you, making it grow over time. Think of it as partnering with companies you believe in, sharing in their successes. The best part? There are tons of ways to invest, each with its own flavor. Want to be a high-speed trader, buying and selling in the blink of an eye? Day trading might be your jam. Prefer a more relaxed approach, watching your investments grow slowly and steadily? Long-term investing could be your cup of tea. So buckle up as we dive into the exciting world of investing and explore which strategy might be your ticket to financial freedom. Hold on to your hats, folks, because day trading is not for the faint of heart. It's like the Formula One racing of the investing world, fast-paced, adrenaline-pumping, and potentially very rewarding or very risky. Imagine this: you wake up, analyze the markets, spot an opportunity, make a trade, and then, bam! You close the position within the same trading day, hopefully with a profit. That's day trading in a nutshell. You're in and out, riding the waves of market volatility to try and make a quick buck. Day traders are like hawks, constantly scanning for tiny price fluctuations in stocks, currencies, or even cryptocurrencies. They use sophisticated tools and strategies, relying heavily on technical analysis and charts to predict short-term market movements. Sounds exciting? Sure, but remember, with great speed comes great risk. Day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a high-stakes game that requires nerves of steel, a deep understanding of the markets, and a healthy appetite for risk. Let's break down the pros and cons of day trading, shall we? Day trading is a popular strategy among many investors, but it's not for everyone. Understanding both the benefits and the drawbacks can help you decide if it's the right path for you. On the plus side, day trading offers the potential for quick profits. Unlike long-term investing, where you might wait years to see significant returns, day trading allows you to capitalize on short-term market movements. You're not waiting years for your investments to grow. You're aiming for small, consistent wins throughout the day. This can be particularly appealing if you have a knack for spotting trends and making quick decisions. Plus, it's exciting. The fast-paced nature of day trading can be a major adrenaline rush for those who thrive on the thrill of the market. Every day brings new opportunities and challenges, keeping you on your toes. But hold your horses. Before you quit your day job and dive headfirst into day trading, consider the downsides. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. First off, it's incredibly risky. The market can be unpredictable, and even the most experienced traders can suffer significant losses. You could lose a significant chunk of your capital in the blink of an eye, especially if you're new to the game. It's not uncommon for beginners to make costly mistakes as they learn the ropes. Secondly, day trading is incredibly time-consuming. It's not a part-time gig, it's a full-time commitment. You need to be glued to your screen, constantly monitoring the markets and making split-second decisions. You need to be glued to your screen, constantly monitoring the markets and making split-second decisions. This can be exhausting and leave little room for other activities or responsibilities. Forget about that leisurely lunch break. Day traders often find themselves eating at their desks, always on alert for the next market move. And let's not forget the emotional roller coaster. The constant ups and downs can be mentally draining. One moment you're on top of the world, and the next, you're questioning every decision you've made. Day trading can be incredibly stressful, with constant wins and losses taking a toll on your mental well-being. It's not just about having the right strategy, it's also about having the mental fortitude to handle the pressure. So is day trading all it's cracked up to be? That depends on your personality, risk tolerance, and how much time you're willing to commit. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it requires a lot of hard work and dedication. That depends on your personality, risk tolerance, and how much time you're willing to commit. If you enjoy the thrill of the market and are willing to put in the effort, it can be rewarding. But if you prefer a more stable and less stressful approach, you might want to consider other investment strategies. Education and preparation are key. Before diving into day trading, it's crucial to educate yourself. Read books, attend seminars, and practice with simulation software to get a feel for the market without risking real money. Consider finding a mentor or joining a trading community. Learning from experienced traders can provide valuable insights and help you avoid common pitfalls. Develop a solid trading plan and stick to it. Outline your goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. Having a plan in place can help you stay focused and disciplined, even when the market gets volatile. Finally, don't forget to take care of yourself. The stress of day trading can take a toll on your health. Make sure to take breaks, practice mindfulness, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. In conclusion, day trading has its pros and cons. It's not for everyone, but with the right approach and mindset, it can be a viable way to make money in the financial markets. Weigh the good, the bad, and the ugly carefully before making your decision. Section 4. Long-term investing planning seeds for the future. Now let's shift gears and explore the world of long-term investing. This approach is fundamentally different from the fast-paced, high-stakes environment of day trading. Instead of focusing on short-term gains, long-term investing is about building wealth gradually and steadily over many years. If day trading is like sprinting, long-term investing is like running a marathon. While a sprinter needs explosive speed and quick reflexes, a marathon runner relies on endurance, strategy, and pacing. Similarly, long-term investors need patience, a well-thought-out plan, and the ability to stay the course. It's about patience, discipline, and letting your investments grow steadily over time. Just as a plant needs time to grow from a seed into a flourishing tree, your investments need time to mature and yield significant returns. Imagine this: you carefully research and select companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential. This means looking at their financial health, market position, and future prospects. It's not just about picking any stock, but choosing those that have the potential to grow and thrive over the long term. You buy their stocks and hold on to them for years, weathering market ups and downs, and watching your investments compound over time. Compounding is a powerful force in long-term investing, as it allows your earnings to generate even more earnings, leading to exponential growth. That's the essence of long-term investing. It's not about making quick profits, but about building a solid financial foundation that can withstand the test of time. By staying invested and not reacting to every market fluctuation, you give your investments the best chance to grow. Think of it like planting a tree. When you plant a sapling, you don't expect it to become a towering oak overnight. You understand that it needs time, care, and the right conditions to grow. You carefully choose a sapling, nurture it, and give it time to grow into a mighty oak. This process requires patience and dedication, but the rewards are worth it. Over time, your tree will grow strong and provide shade, beauty, and even fruit. You don't panic every time the wind blows or the seasons change, because you know that over the long run, your tree will stand tall and strong. Similarly, long-term investors don't react to every market dip or economic shift. They understand that these are just part of the natural cycle, and that their investments will recover and grow over time. Long-term investors are like gardeners, patiently tending to their portfolios and allowing their investments to blossom over time. They regularly review their investments, make adjustments as needed, and stay informed about market trends and economic conditions. They focus on the bigger picture, riding out market fluctuations and trusting in the power of compounding to grow their wealth. By maintaining a long-term perspective, they can achieve their financial goals and build a secure future for themselves and their families. Long-term investing is not just a strategy, but a mindset that requires discipline, patience, and a commitment to the future. Section 5. Long-term investing. The long and short of it. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of playing the long game? Long-term investing is a strategy that involves holding on to investments for an extended period, typically several years or even decades. This approach is often favored by those who prefer a more stable and less hands-on method of growing their wealth. The beauty of long-term investing lies in its simplicity and relative safety. By focusing on the long haul, investors can take advantage of the natural growth of the market over time. This means that even if there are short-term fluctuations, the overall trend is usually upward. You don't need to be a financial whiz or spend hours glued to your screen. Instead, you can make informed decisions based on research and then let your investments grow with minimal intervention. This hands-off approach allows you to focus on other aspects of your life while your money works for you. You're investing in quality companies and letting time work its magic. By choosing well-established companies with a history of strong performance, you can increase your chances of seeing substantial returns over the years. These companies often have solid business models and are better equipped to weather economic downturns. Plus, it's far less stressful than day trading. Day trading requires constant monitoring of the market and quick decision-making, which can be exhausting and nerve-wracking. Long-term investing, on the other hand, allows you to take a more relaxed approach, knowing that you don't have to react to every market movement. You're not sweating every market dip, you're riding out the waves, knowing that the market tends to go up over the long term. This perspective helps you stay calm during periods of volatility, as you understand that short-term losses are often temporary and can be offset by long-term gains. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Long-term investing requires patience. It's important to remember that significant returns don't happen overnight. You need to be prepared to wait for your investments to mature and grow over time. You need to be comfortable with the idea of your money being tied up for years, sometimes even decades, before you see significant returns. This means that long-term investing may not be suitable for those who need quick access to their funds or are looking for immediate gains. And while it's generally less risky than day trading, it's not without its risks. Market conditions can change, and even the most stable companies can face challenges. It's crucial to stay informed and be prepared to adjust your strategy if necessary. Market crashes and economic downturns can still impact your portfolio even in the long run. Diversification is key to mitigating these risks. By spreading your investments across different sectors and asset classes, you can reduce the impact of any single market event on your overall portfolio. So is long-term investing the right strategy for you? It depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. If you have a long-term perspective and are willing to ride out market fluctuations, this approach can be a powerful way to build wealth over time. If you're looking for a relatively low-stress, hands-off approach to building wealth over time, then long-term investing might be right up your alley. By staying committed to your investment plan and making informed decisions, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a well-thought-out strategy.